What is up, everybody? It's your boy Jake Loop here, and today we're about to take a ride on the wild side. We're talking about the tallest, fastest, and most insane roller coasters ever built. Get ready to scream your lungs out because we're counting down the top 10 roller coasters you have to ride. Let's go! First up, we're heading to Six Flags Great Adventure for King Dakar. This monster of a coaster is the tallest in the world, towering over 45 stories high. You'll be launched from 0 to 128 miles per hour in a mind-blowing 3.5 seconds. Dude, that's faster than a cheetah. Then you're shot straight up that massive hill before plunging back down in a 270-degree spiral. Next, we're off to Cedar Point for Steel Vengeance. This hybrid coaster combines a classic wooden structure with a modern steel track for a ride that's both smooth and intense. It packs a whopping 30 seconds of airtime, meaning you'll be floating out of your seat for what feels like forever. Hold on tight because we're about to hit ludicrous speed on Formula Rossa in Abu Dhabi. This beast holds the title of fastest roller coaster in the world, clocking in at a mind-blowing 149 miles per hour. You'll feel like you're in an actual F1 car as you blast through the desert landscape. Get ready for some serious airtime on Fury 325 at Carowinds. This monster is known for its massive size and insane drops. You'll soar over 325 feet in the air before plunging down at 81 degrees. This is not for the faint of heart. Prepare to get twisted and turned on the Smiler at Alton Towers. This coaster holds the world record for most inversions, a stomach-churning 14 in total. You'll be flipped, spun, and corkscrewed until you don't know which way is up. Just try not to smile, if you can. Next, we're traveling to Phantasialand in Germany to experience Terran. This multi-launch coaster will catapult you through a stunningly themed area inspired by Viking mythology. You'll feel like you're flying through the air as you race past waterfalls, rock formations, and even through buildings. No top 10 list would be complete without Millennium Force at Cedar Point. This coaster is a fan favorite, and for good reason. It's got it all. Speed, height, and those incredible drops that'll make you question your life choices. Trust me, it's worth the wait. Hold on to your hats because Intimidator 305 at King's Dominion is a beast. This coaster is known for its intense G-forces that will pin you to your seat. You'll experience drops, twists, and turns all at lightning speed. Just try not to blink, you might miss it. Don't let the wooden structure fool you. El Toro at Six Flags Great Adventure is one wild ride. This coaster is known for its incredibly smooth ride and insane airtime hills. You'll be thrown out of your seat over and over again. Just try not to lose your lunch. We're finishing our list with X2 at Six Flags Magic Mountain. This coaster is truly one of a kind. It features seats that rotate 360 degrees as you go through the ride, giving you a different experience every time. You'll be flipped upside down, sideways, and everything in between. It's like nothing you've ever experienced. Thanks for joining us on this adrenaline-pumping journey. Which roller coaster is your favorite? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more thrilling content.